Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great way to keep an eye on your own home security, especially from the window, from the inside. So it is an outdoor security camera that is mounted to the inside of your window. This is really cool. It was sent over by a company called Koohome, and it's going to come with everything you need. So naturally, it's going to come with a quick user manual that tells you how to operate it. It's very self-explanatory, and the app is very, very easy to utilize as well. Now, it's going to come with a super long cable here, so if you're not close to an outlet, you got plenty of distance essentially to get this to the window that you want to have it stuck to. It's going to include the USB to USB-C connection, and then it's also going to include the little adapter to plug it in so you're ready to go. You don't need anything else out of the box. Now, to maintain the long cable cord, it's going to include here these 6 little cable managements. They're just basically a sticky side on one side. You can put them down, and then it just basically the cord goes right in there. Works very, very well. There's also a little kind of silver thing. This is to reset it if you ever need to reset the pin, like redo your Wi-Fi or give it to a friend or something like that. But this is the nice little compact 3K camera. So very, very small. I'll give you an idea of the size here. It is about 2¼ inches by 2¼ inches square. It's only 1.5 inches in depth. It has this kind of faux wood look to it, so it's nice when it's sitting on your window. You're not just seeing the back of what I would say a normal piece of equipment. It kind of has this nice little mahogany look to it. Now, it does come with 2 little mounting sticky parts here, so if you do ever want to move it, no problem, you can easily do that. How it basically works is you're going to peel off the brown paper, stick this on the window, and then there's a little magnet around here, and it's just going to stick to it like so, and you're going to see from the outside just the black square, and then the little lens there, right there in the front side. Now, it does absolutely great when it comes to reflections, and also does very well with the glare. And like I said, it is that 3K image quality. It gives you a nice crystal clear picture. And because of the f1.0 aperture of the lens, it also does well in the evening time. You can even get color night mode out of this if you so wish. Through the apps, you have your option to do the black and white or even the color night vision, which is a nice little feature. Now, it does all the standard stuff you'd expect out of the camera. You do notice there is speakers on it, so you can talk through it. You can set off like the areas that you don't want it to trigger. So if you always have like a wind chime in the corner and you don't want it, you can go ahead and exclude that zone, and you can do all the other little things, the notifications, all that stuff. Now, on the bottom is where you're going to plug it in, and then you're going to notice it has a micro SD card slot. So if you do get a micro SD card, you can plug this in. Up to a 256 gigabit SD card will work on here, and that's going to allow you to have 24-hour, 7 days a week recording. You can set it up to do loop recording, so it will go ahead and just record over the old footage until you need it, and then you can pop that out. Now, you're going to get cloud storage for up to 3 days. Obviously, through the app, you can choose any other packages and get more of that if you so wish. The app is very easy. It's just the Koohome camera, basically, app. You can get it at all the major stores and utilize it and set it up. Now, as far as the viewing angle, it does have a nice wide viewing angle, so you can easily see a big range of area. It's a 105-degree angle, so that's another nice aspect of it as well. And then a cool thing about it, as far as connecting to the Wi-Fi, like I said, this thing is super, super easy. A lot of devices can only connect to the 2.4 gigahertz. This can do 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, so you don't have to worry about separating your Wi-Fi or anything like that. You just go ahead and pair it, and it will go ahead and go to the right one that it needs to go to. So another nice aspect. But overall, if you're looking for an absolutely great window security camera to look outside, but it's inside the protection of your home so somebody can't grab it, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.